Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the League of Legends client is not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Locate your League of Legends client desktop icon, make a right click and then select Run as Administrator. Now running the application as an administrator, most of the time this will open the application. So as you can see from here, this has opened the application. So from here, you just need to simply sign in with your account and then enjoy the game. For the next method is we also need to temporarily disable the antivirus because this can block the application from launching. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like McAfee, Avast, or Malwarebytes, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. You can find that from here. You can just simply right-click and then select exit. So if say for example that was the third-party antivirus softwares, then click on the Windows security icon. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and you'll find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Then turn off the real-time protection and then launch the game. And once the game has been launched or opened, then go back to the Windows Security window and then turn it on because this is a very important security for your Windows. Then locate your League of Legends client desktop icon. Make a right click. Select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Now the properties will be up. Click on the third tab, the compatibility tab, and check this box, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Apply and then OK. Then we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated as outdated ones can also cause the issue. Make a right click at the start button, select device manager. Then here in the device manager window, we need to locate for the display adapters. This is where you can find your graphics card driver. So make a right click on it, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close the remaining windows. And also make sure to update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will check for all the updates and this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once done, close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, launch the League of Legends client application. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.